Yes, guys. Good morning. Are you well? I thought you were. So if you follow me on YouTube, which is what I'm filming this for, which is why it's landscape, or Instagram, you'll know that I'm quite well known for a beard. So we've gone for the clean-shaven poster boy Mr. UK look. Sorry about that. For this next show, which is going to be this weekend. I am competing this weekend. I'm not going to tell you what show I'm doing, but I am doing a show this weekend. Because I'm in shape. I'm in a period of my life where I haven't got as many ties as I used to have. So I'm happy to just roll the dice and go and do shows because I'm looking for wins. I want to get back in the winner's circle. So today we are training back at Foundry Gym, Sheffield. I am absolutely loving Foundry. Everyone that's followed me knows how much I love Hammer and Life Fitness. For example, today, back day, they've got the Hammer pullover, my all-time favourite row, the Hammer one-arm row. I'll probably then do an underhand pull-down. Of course, I will then do conventional deadlift. And then I've also been liking the underhand hammer row that you've seen me do at Ultraflex. And then hyperextension. And that is pure back day. I feel low at the minute. I wake up low. I do my cardio low. I have my breakfast and a coffee. And I do the school run. And I feel low. And by the time I finish the school run, that hits. And I start to feel relatively okay. And then I have a bit of intra-carb. Feel pretty decent when I train. Nothing spectacular, but it's there. Post-workout carbs, and then a post-workout meal. And then I feel pretty horrific for the remainder of the evening. But it's part of the process. I am sharp. I'm confident that Wigan was the best I've ever brought all round, and this next show is going to be better than Wigan. So again, people used to wish me good luck when I was younger, and I used to say there's no luck. This isn't about luck. But there is. There's lots of luck. But as well, I can wholeheartedly say I've ticked all the boxes that I need to tick. So I can stand there on stage confidently knowing that I've done everything that I could do, and everything else is out of my hands. So without further ado, let's get some back. Let's finish this pre/intra and hit some back at Foundry Gym, Sheffield. Peace. Yes, guys. Exercise 1. The pullover machine. I haven't used this machine for a long time, so we're just getting a good feel for it. Having a look, setting the machine up, getting the right weight. Going with an underhand grip, Dorian Yates style. Good stretch, good squeeze. Really nice movement. Love it. Come on then guys, working set. I've alternated between underhand and overhand. Might have a go underhand again. I feel like the squeeze is a little bit better on underhand. Little drop set. Don't worry, put them on that machine because I'm going on there next. Felt nice. Quick drop. Half weight. That just started to pull me up a little bit. That I should have probably had the belt on. Quick drop set, half weight, double reps. Yep. Yep. Oh. Whew. Exercise 2, guys, underhand pull down. Another very Dorian exercise. Because what better motivation than Dorian Yates, really. Nice stretch, nice and controlled on the way up. Drive and squeeze. Pulling through the elbows. Squeeze through the elbows. Not pulling with your hands. Pulling through the elbows. Chest up. Chest up, head up, elbows down. That's how we get the lats. Nice. Yes, guys. Exercise 2. Top set. Looking for a good, strong 6 to 8. Good, strong 6 to 8. drop, just a little drop, not too much weight. Come on now, same again. Same again. 6 to 8, nice and strict, little drop. Exercise 3, guys. 1 arm machine row. One of my personal favourites. This one is a little bit different to the one that I had. It could actually be bolted back a spot, which would maybe give you a little bit more stretch. But it's not got enough stretch in it. The handle's slightly different to my old one as well, but it's still good. Very good. So let's go. So chest up, head up, squeeze the elbow, squeeze the lat, stretch the lat, squeeze the lat. Nice and light on that one, so we'll go a little bit heavier. Right guys, exercise 3, top working set. And although we're a couple of weeks out, couple of days out because we've jumped into another show, we're still trying to lift some weight. We're not doing any soft fluffy training. Still working. So let's go. One. Quick drop on each. Now what I like about a drop set is it helps you push further beyond failure when you're training on your own, but it also encourages you to put your weights away. Yeah, I got the angle on that a lot better. I think it's actually set up so you can kind of come away from it to one side a little bit. Love it. Love it. 1. There we go. Right, we're going to go again because I like that. Bit better angle on that last one. Awesome. Awesome. Yes, guys. Exercise 4 for back. The conventional deadlift, the Big Daddy. One of my personal favourites. So what we want to do, nice neutral stance, nice neutral grip. We want the bar nice and close to our legs. Back straight, head up, chest up. Don't want to lean too far back, so we don't want to compress the spine. Nice and controlled. Nice easy 6. Keep going up. Right, guys, as I've said, we're quite close to the next show. So we're going to go 6 with 140. See how we feel. We might do 6 with 160. We'll see. We'll see how this one feels. We're obviously not we're not here to take any risks and get injured at this point. But we'll see how 6 feels. Felt pretty good. I think we'll blast that 160. Come on then, guys. Big 160 for 6. 4 days out. We're not going to go too close to failure, but I think we can definitely get a good 6 here. Nice and strict. Let's go. Yep. Oh, not gonna lie, I'm excited to push that up in a growing phase. Exercise 5, a little bit of a volume finisher. We've already done a proper row earlier, so I'll just 2 sets of 20. Good stretch, good squeeze. Put my shirt back on. Sorry. I know, I understand. I apologise. No, I do understand. No. Exercise number 6, guys. Last one for back. Last one for pure back day. Hyperextension. So you can't change the angle on this, but I just need to lower it a little bit. So what I like to do on this, we're looking for a bit of glute ham, but I also like to stretch and squeeze my lower back. So I'm squeezing the Christmas tree. I do think that contributes to lower back detail when you're in condition. So we're getting the whole posterior. Nice and strict. There we go, guys. Back at Foundry Gym. 2 to 3 days out. See you all in Sweden.